Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We're on our way to SCC Performance. We're basically checking over the car, making sure it's working how it should be, and obviously if it isn't, making adjustments, changes, and hopefully getting some advice about how the RT330 works, how the mapping works, and whether we should be hitting 21 PSI boost because of certain parameters, or whether there's something hardware wrong, should we say. So anyway, we're on our way there. I won't talk about what's been happening in the past because you guys have seen all that before, but we're just on Dartford Crossing now. About an hour to get there, but we're gonna get some McDonald's first because everyone needs a McDonald's breakfast. And also, we're in a tunnel. Oh. I can have a double sausage McMuffin, please. We've got a lovely double sausage and egg McMuffin meal. I'm pretty sure that top bun is getting smaller and smaller every time I eat one of these. I'm looking forward to feeling crap once I've finished with it. But yeah, we're about, oh, that lighting. We're about probably 15 minutes away, and they open in about half an hour, so it's kind of perfect timing, really. Yeah, so fingers crossed. I'm spooked. I am scared. I don't know, like I said, the car itself is feeling great and it's feeling fast, however it just, things don't add up, so we'll see. But anyway, McMuffin. So we've arrived, let's get ourselves inside, let's find some people and let's get this car looked at.
2 hours later.
So, we have just finished with SCC. I didn't get to film anything inside, I just let him get on with his work because obviously I wanted him to just do everything properly, kind of no messing about with kind of, no messing about with obviously filming and stuff like that, but they have been awesome. Their waiting room's really nice. It's really chilled out and there's so many Revo parts there that you look at, like the alloys, and they're just awesome. I might insert a clip from my phone. Stuart, if you see this video, thank you very much for kind of your patience with me, and kind of keeping me updated with it all. And to the guy that actually fixed my car, sorry I didn't catch your name, but basically what they done, they went on the road, they done multiple pulls on the road and data logged the car. It was 100% correct in terms of it was requesting 1.8, I was only hitting 1.6, and the problem was the actuator. So the actuator itself had become unwound the whole way. So basically the moment I would come on boost, it would literally just open the wastegate and problem. So WG Motorworks, you are correct. So Warren, once again, thank you so much for kind of letting me know what you thought the problem was. Interesting to obviously hear what other companies have been saying about it. I'm excited. It's going to be great. I can't wait to drive it. So we're going to get on the road now, have a little try, see kind of what we feel. Apparently he's fixed it. Every single run he could hit peak boost. So hopefully we've gone from 21 PSI to 26. But yeah, I'll get you guys on the GoPro now. We'll give it a road test. Let's see how it goes. But thank you so much to SCC Performance. You guys have been wicked. So just pumped all the tyres up as well. So front tyres are running about 24 PSI. And the rears were about 20. So make sure you guys pump your tyres up. It is important. Little pro tip. But anyway, onto the GoPro footage. Let's take it for a spin. So hopefully you guys can hear me alright on this GoPro. If not, I'll just do a voiceover of what I've found. So we've just left SCC, as I said in the previous clip. I can't thank them enough for how quickly they worked. The fact that they, at the end of it, came up, they showed me the graphs, they showed me what they found, and long story short, like I said, the actuator had become fully unwound. So 26 psi. God, I'm so happy, it's unreal. I knew Revo wouldn't let me down. Why did I ever doubt them? Why did I ever doubt them? Obviously, when it comes to a problem like this, guys, where you know you try and solve it, and obviously I've changed the boost solenoid. Thank you to Jay Mitchell for that. Obviously tested his boost solenoid on mine. Obviously we switched back now. We've changed diverter valve. But without coming here, or I guess WG could have probably checked the actuator as well. I just felt like it was kind of, it made sense to, as it's only an hour and a half away, come to the main Revo dealer, because if it was the Revo software, like cutting power because of exhaust gas temperatures, I would have been pretty sad. But the car itself now feels absolutely fantastic. It is a brand new car again. It is unreal. On a daily basis or a weekly basis, like don't kind of, you know, spend all your time trying to solve a problem. I probably didn't need to spend money on the diverter valve. Holy shit! Okay, so this is how the car felt. So this is how the car felt when I first got the turbo installed. So obviously we were seeing some weird things on the dyno, but it wasn't huge. But as time's gone on, it's got worse and worse and worse. Hence the actuator nut, I guess, becoming more and more loose and becoming less and less and less. The wastegate being open more and more and more. But this car now is an animal. This is even more than when I first got it fitted though, so obviously everything's kind of finalised now. So it cost me, I'll be completely upfront with you guys, it cost me £150. I was there from 8 o'clock. Pretty much finished probably about 10:30, 10:15. So an hour and a half, 2.5 hours work-ish. Actuator change, obviously road testing. It was all done. The guy that was working on it, I wish I would have got his name, to be honest. Really nice guy, really knowledgeable. Hopefully he sees this video, but thank you so much for sorting this. Can confirm, car is fixed. We're hitting like 25, 26 psi every pull I do now. I don't know what more to say, guys. It's fixed. She's back. She's fully working. It's fantastic. It once again, like I said, it's a brand new car. We're gonna go see Warren. Hopefully he's in. It's only like about a 15-minute detour, so it's not too far. But we're gonna go see Warren, just say hi, and once again thank him for installing the turbo itself. But yeah, the car. The car's awesome. There is so much power now, like even more than before. Before I was like blown away, and I was blown away by how much power I had compared to other cars that I was, I don't want to say racing against, but you know, going against. It's fantastic. Yeah, I'm kind of speechless again. It's like kind of taking that next step up again. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. So much fun. just been to see Warren at WG Motorworks, just to kind of give him the good news. He pretty much made this call from the start and said it was the actuator. So it's good to see that once again WG Motorworks knows exactly what he's talking about. And not that I didn't trust him, but I should have just gone with his word straight away and kind of maybe tried to do the actuator myself. But yeah, so either way, SEC performance awesome. WG Motorworks once again proven to be awesome. So it sounds like it happened. Obviously we bench tested it and we made sure everything was fine. And then we put it onto the car thinking it was a working configuration, run it on the dyno a few times, and then we started to notice the problem. Obviously by that point it was late in the night and it was also boiling hot now that we had just done probably 10 dyno runs, I reckon we done. So yeah, obviously we didn't want to deal with it then, hence why it wasn't a big issue. We knew it wasn't a big issue, so we just let Christmas go by, and I got myself booked in at the main Revo dealer, not because I don't trust Warren. I want to make sure that is completely clear, just because I wanted to, one, go somewhere new, and secondly I wanted to go to Revo's main distributor place, and if they couldn't fix it, or if I had problems with the software, obviously the main Revo dealer would be the one to kind of go with, if you know what I mean. So they're the main reasons why I went to SCC over Warren, but obviously I'll still be coming to Warren for anything else that I need doing. Anyway, gonna finish this video here. I don't know how this video is going to turn out. I think it's going to be an absolute mess and it's going to be everywhere, but yeah, so end of the day, it was an actuator. The nut had come loose. Basically over time it had unwound itself more and more and more and more, which meant less preload, which meant every time I was boosting it got to the point where it was fully open basically all the time. So yeah, so if you have a similar problem, it could be your actuator, but obviously once again it's one of these things where it could be so many different things and you'll be there for weeks searching for it. So don't do what I done unless you want to. Obviously I want to do my own stuff as much as I can. Just take it to, if you're a Revo dealer, take it to a Revo dealer, or if you're a Revo customer, take it to a Revo dealer, and vice versa. Obviously if you're in Kent, take it to WG Motorworks. I'm sure he will sort it for you. Obviously if you're North London, I would now suggest SCC Performance. They've been really good to me, so make sure you go check them out. Obviously all the links are in the description for the people that have helped me over the time. But yeah, I'm a happy man. The car's brand new again. The noises have changed once again. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Sorry if this video is a bit of a mess. I guess the only question I can leave you guys with, for whoever made it this far, do I go back to the turbo smart noises or do I keep the GFB?